In this video, I'll show you how to write off an invoice in Zoho Books, a simple yet important step to keep your accounts accurate when a payment becomes uncollectible. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account and heading to the Sales tab. From there, click on Invoices to view your full list of issued invoices. Carefully locate the invoice you need to write off. Double-check the invoice number, client name and amount to make sure you've selected the correct one. Once you've opened the invoice, look for the Record Payment drop-down menu, click it, and from the available options, select Write Off. A new window will appear asking for the reason behind this action. Enter a clear and specific explanation. This helps maintain transparency and makes it easier to track your financial decisions during audits or future reviews. After adding the reason, click Write Off to confirm. Zoho Books will instantly mark the invoice as written off, removing it from your list of outstanding invoices while keeping it stored as a historical record. And that's it. You've successfully written off an invoice in Zoho Books. It's a straightforward process, but an important one for maintaining accurate financial data. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick Zoho Books tutorials.